When it comes to sourcing electric motors, why not stick with the good old brick-and-mortar local suppliers? A failed or underperforming motor can affect the whole town. Even a small motor failure can lead to huge downtime costs, a gap in services, and upset residents. Meet Ian. Ian is a maintenance manager for his municipality. He takes care of the local water treatment plant, municipal buildings, and the parks. He lives in a small town, so sometimes he has to be a jack of all trades. Ian relies on local suppliers to source the town's motor replacements. It's just the way he's always done it. A critical motor goes down, and Ian's under pressure to get the water treatment plant back up and running. He has to call 2 local suppliers for a quote to bring to the purchasing manager. Both suppliers need to check their inventory and get back to him. Bricks and mortar motor suppliers rely on their warehouse inventory to supply their clients' replacements. Because of this, Ian only has access to the inventory in his town, and he's often had to pay for expensive repairs instead of finding replacements. A few hours later, Ian gets a call back, and only one of his suppliers has access to the motor he needs. They need to order it in, and it could take up to 3 weeks before it gets to the treatment plant. On top of that, Ian's purchasing manager needs 2 quotes before they can approve the order. Ian needs a better solution for his motor supply chain. Ian remembers seeing an ad online for eMotorsDirect.ca and sits down at his desk to take a look. He enters his motor's catalog number into the smart search bar, and the product appears. Right away, he sees the price, and he sees that the motor is at least 2 to 3 weeks out. Scrolling further, he sees 30 other motors, all with the same specifications. These are direct replacements for Ian's motor. From these options, Ian selects a more cost-effective motor with the shortest lead time and adds it to his cart. In the cart view, he clicks Print Estimate and sends it off to the purchasing manager and awaits his approval. The purchasing manager is impressed with Ian's quick thinking and loves the convenience of their new resource. He gives Ian the approval to order the motor and begins the process of making eMotors Direct an approved vendor for the municipality. Ian goes to check out online. He signs up for the Loyalty Rewards program, and the motor's price drops from $1,315 down to $1,228. Ian is confident he found the quickest and most cost-effective solution. Not to mention, he has impressed his purchasing manager. A few days later, the motor arrives and Ian installs it. The water treatment plant is back up and running at full capacity. Ian gets a call from his eMotors Direct account manager, and they talk options to get high-priority spares in place to prevent future downtime. We've aggregated all the manufacturer inventory across Canada so that you can make more informed buying decisions. Instead of accessing just your local supplier inventory, gain access to over $75 million worth of product across Canada. The information you need to buy your motor now is just a click away. Visit eMotorsDirect.ca to shop over 50,000 motor and motor-related products. Consult with our team of motor experts on your next project or motor replacement. eMotors Direct, the electric motor supplier built for Canada's maintenance managers.